Hi, welcome to the Essence of Clarity YouTube channel. My name is Venus Straver. I'm a professional organizer. Today what I wanted to talk about was containers when you are having a party or you're invited to a party. We've got the season of barbecues and lots of socializing events fast approaching, and I met up today with my friend and I basically had her lasagna dish for the last 2 months maybe. So a few tips: if you have a party at your house and someone brings a dish with them, give the dish back as soon as you can on the day. So sometimes I feel a little bit bad because I can't actually do the dishes at that moment. I actually think it's better to give the dish back dirty than to hold on to it, make it immaculate, and then let your friend wait for their special dish 2 months. If you are in the situation that you did get the dish from a friend or a relative, then I suggest you wash it, and as soon as you've done that, put it in your car. So the likelihood of it getting out of your house and not stuck in your kitchen in a corner is much greater if you put it in your car. So I've got a few containers at the back of my car for, amongst other things, containers that I have to, or items that I have to bring back to other people. So once you have it in your car, if you live relatively close to your friends, you can actually drop it off to their house, even when they're not there. You can put it in front of the door. Some of my key friends I meet up very regularly, so then make sure that you got it in the car, and if you meet up for coffee or for lunch, that you give it to them. On the flip side, if you are invited to a dinner party and you're bringing a dish, basically how I work it, I never expect to get the dish back ever. So I use containers or plates that I don't necessarily like or want to keep, and I happily share both the dish as well as literally the plate. If I get it back, I go, oh yeah, great, I can do the same thing again for another event. If not, it wouldn't cross my mind at all. So hopefully this has been helpful. There's a little bit of a video snippet of me running around meeting my friend with the dish, and hopefully it helps you get a little bit extra organized with the barbecues and all the fun things that are coming your way in the next couple of weeks. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, so I'm pacing down to meet my friend for lunch, running around to get to a lunch function on time. But guess what I have in my handbag? And I thought I'll do a little bit of a blog post on it. I have different sections in my handbag, and one of them I have a lasagna tray. When you borrow things like containers from friends and all that stuff, or they give that to you when you have a party, you then are stuck with a container you don't own, and you have to give this to your friends or family members. So I'm going to do a little bit of a formal video on how to be organized with your trays after I have returned this to my friend.